Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and install the WordPress and claim the free domain in Hostinger. So if you have not purchased the hosting and want to purchase, please find the link in my video description and use my coupon code ecommerceblend for an additional discount. So let's get started. So let's say you have purchased the hosting and now you want to set up the WordPress and install. So let's begin. In the hpanel section, in the Hostinger hpanel, you will find an options of premium web hosting. You just click on the setup. As you click on the setup, you will find system survey. It will begin the process. Start now. And skip because I don't want to personalize the experience for now. Click on skip. And then again skip, create my empty website. And here you will find the two options, choose a domain and use an existing domain. Let's say if you have already purchased a domain from other company, let's say GoDaddy and Namecheap, you can choose the options use an existing domain and you can put the name servers and connect the domain. And in case if you have not claimed the free domain, you can find the options instead of choose a domain, claim a domain. Okay, I will select it one of my domains and click on select. As soon as I will click on this, it will set my server location and finish the setup. And now you can see the setup is initialized. Okay, as soon as it is initializing and it is also preparing dashboard and cpanel and all the things. So now you can see that we are ready and almost done. So click on manage the site panel. Your control panel will be open like this. Here you will find the cpanel. All right, all the things are here. So from here, now if you want to see your website and domain what it looks like, you can click from here in the dashboard. You can see the domain is ready. You just have to install the WordPress. Okay, let's begin and install the WordPress. In the left bar, you can find the options of website in this panel, and under this you will find an auto installer. As you will click on this, there will be CMS. Choose the WordPress, select WordPress, and then you will find some details section. Here you have to put your website title. Let's say in my case I'm putting GAHC supply and administrator email, and then a username and password. Basically this username is password is being gonna used for your WordPress admin panel. Next. As I will click on next, here you can see that you can choose the WordPress version recommended is 6.2 and language English, and here click on always update to the update version. Okay, as you can see this now it is installing the WordPress. All right, I think the WordPress is installed, and from here you can see that the HTTP request is enabled, Lightspeed cache is enabled by default, and SSL certificate is automatically installed and activated. So click on dashboard and let's view your website. Click here and here we go. This is a WordPress, a sample page. So this is how it is installed and set up. And now if you want to access your WordPress dashboard, you can simply add /wp admin here. Here you can log in with the username and password that you give before initializing the WordPress. This username and password, and yeah, click on login. Alright, so I have. Alright, so I'm logged in the WordPress dashboard. Here I can manage and install the themes and plugins and create a professional website.